we will be using Firebase as the backend, and we need to install it on Windows so that we can deploy our website to the server. To install Firebase tools, first we need to install Node.js. So let's start by typing download Node.js in the browser and click on the first link. Click on Current and then choose Windows. Save the file that's gonna download. And now that the downloading is finished, let's run it. Click on Next, then accept the license agreement, and click on Next again. I'm gonna keep the default location and click on Next, Next, and Next once more. Now click on Install and hit Yes when it asks for administrative options. Let's wait a bit for it to install. And once it's done, let's click on Finish. Open the command prompt now. And then type npm install-g npm. Wait a few seconds for it to install. And then write npm install-g firebase-tools in order to install Firebase. It's gonna take a while, so be patient. And voila, it's complete.